I'm gonna make this quick. It's 9:28. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds. 4 hour. We hit this fair value gap, so we might try to get low. You already know how it goes. Boom, 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 boom. Tap a 4 hour. Target liquidity. Bear for value gap. Target liquidity. So we're gonna target liquidity. I think we just two spots on where we could target liquidity to go to 4 hour. This low right here, this low right here, and this low right here. We have 1 minute left. We go into 1 hour. We are looking a bit bearish. I mean, we were looking bullish right here, but we're looking a bit bearish. We could continue on to go bullish. ES is looking a bit bearish as of right now, and we do have equal lows. If we go into the 5 minute real quick, we have equal lows. This low with this low, both on the same level, both on 190, 175. Like I actually checked, equal lows right there. We go into the 15 minute, no 15 minute for value gaps. We are between Asia highs, so this could just be this. I'm considering just consolidating. We hit a point and then we go up, or we hit a point and we go down. It depends on what we hit first. We hit a liquidity point, and yeah. So we could target Asia. We could target the lows as like real quick and then bounce right back up. But that's just the market open. Like we could see a quick movement like this and then go all the way up. But there's I can't really go in reversal off of this low because we just hit it real quick. Are we gonna hit it real quick? It depends if we hit it real quick. Are we gonna go up, down? What's the call? We do have FOMC, so you might not even see this video, to be honest. Like it's a maybe. I don't trade FOMC. Let's see. We hit the low, so it looks like we want to wait for this low to get hit, this or Asia highs to get hit, then we look for a reversal. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm probably not even gonna trade today's FOMC, so we could hit. It looks like we're going down low and low and low, so we could hit this low and then bounce off, or this low actually, and then bounce off. But I do think that these are like draws on liquidity here. Sorry, here or here. So we'll see. I need to mark this out, and we'll see. Yeah, or we could touch these lows, but this relatively equal low has been disappeared. If you go into the 5 minute, let's go to 1 minute. Yeah, actually, yeah, and we'll see what will happen. Probably that's probably not even a trade day, but I'll let you guys know real quick. Analysis. All right, real quick chat. So we was sadly, um, looks like it was literally just 1 point, like about 1 point away from hitting equilibrium. We respected this fair value gap, but I listened to only equilibrium. Let me not take that out. I only listen to equilibrium. So if we can, go back into equilibrium tap and then get out while disrespecting uh while point of control, let's say point of control right here, we make a wick, respect the point of control and continue to go up, then I mean that would be good. We have point of control over here at this level. So we do have some volume around here, around here. Makes sense. Looks like we're getting that red candle. I mean we are in this fair value gap as of right now too. Um, most volumes over here. But yeah, looks like it. So let's just say if I did take the trade, let's just say right here, let's say I was looking for only one micro since it's like thingy. Since it's FOMC, I will look for only one micro. So let's just say I entered on that. We're gonna see what happens. Let's see if I get stopped out. If I would have entered. Let's see if I didn't listen to my thingy, my if I didn't listen to my strategy, my equilibrium, and entered only off a respect of this fair rally gap. Then let's see if I would have won this trade. Let's see if not listening to my strategy worked. If it does work, doesn't mean I'm not gonna listen to my strategy. I always will listen to my strategy. And break even will be over here actually too. I want to set break even. Boom, boom. Uh, so this video, I'm gonna upload this video, and see it and show how not trading FOMC like it's the best day. I literally have a rule not trade on FOMC. I know I'm breaking that rule, but I'm only gonna trade one micro today, and let's see if listening to my strategy was a good thing. Let's see if this taps equilibrium. Wow. But yeah, we didn't hit this low, but we did hit this. So if we go into the 15 minute real quick, you see we did hit this. So we call liquidity. That's step one of the strategy. Then we look for a breaker structure inverse, and you already know the rest. Looks like we're getting close to tapping our equilibrium, so we could go back to equilibrium and see. And this is why you listen to your strategy. But I'll let you guys know if I enter in a trade. Let's see. Alright, I'm moving with one micro, so we did give off a lot of points right there. Let's see, I break even. Okay, break even tapped. Uh, Stop. One right there. Break even was tapped. Right there. So we did give off a few points. I was hesitant because if we look onto the if we look on to right here, like these three wicks were kind of getting me nervous. We might hit break even like real quick actually. Yeah, break even. Stop filled. So that was a quick trade, break even day. It's FOMC. I'm not really expecting to trade. So I don't know where exactly I took the trade at. Around here. I gave off like 11 points, probably even 12. I wouldn't be surprised if it was like 12, 13. But yeah, it's just that let's put the trade right here. And this trade, if I didn't respect my thingy, still would have worked. Yeah, break even was at the high of this candle. Probably would have been better. No, because break even still would have got hit right there. So yeah, it was like a really 1 minute break even trade. That's it for today. I saw that it was respecting point of control going to our side. You can see it was over here, and then it bounced right back up, and I like that. And if it had continued to go up, that would have been so ideal. That would have been so good. This big wick, I was waiting for. I was like, come on, please close in the 10 point area, please. But it was just going up, so I had to give away points. Let's see. You can see, yeah, like 11 points. It was definitely more than 10 points. Definitely gave more than weight at 10 points because it wasn't forming a candle in the 10 point area. So I like, and these three, and these look at these all these candles. Not all these candles, but look at these wicks. One, two, three, four. About four wicks in the 10 point area. So that wasn't really ideal. I could enter again over here because it did close in the 10 area, which is ideal. But me, I'm only taking one trade a day. This is looking very ideal. Let's put our actually let's take off the recent point of control. Put it, yeah, extend it to the most recent time. It's kind of like I fully expect this to go up. I fully expect this to go up. Our break even was 18 points, 18 to 20. Wait, sorry, 18 to 25. Yeah, 18 20 to 26 points. Actually, yeah. Look, break even will still would have got hit regardless, because this always would have been break even. I'm not gonna lie. I'm putting break even right there. So looks like NQ just wanted to hit me with break evens. Um, look at that. Yeah, look, see, it closed. I would have entered. Damn, GG's. It's whatever. It's whatever. Um, this is I'm fully expecting this to hit full TP, but it's whatever. It's fine. Just full full expectancy on FOMC. And I was watching a bit of TGR. We did inverse this gap, by the way, so this is literally not even a bad long. I would love to take this long, but I'm not taking this long. I'm gonna have control over myself and not take this long. Ooh, point of control is right here. I forgot we have some areas of volume, so you might reject and start heading back down. I don't know if we're gonna slam down, but we could go down, or we can use the volume to push all the way back up. Yeah, see? Darn. Damn, that's kind of crazy. That is kind of annoying. It's whatever. I don't trade FOMC days anyways. I'm expecting a good day tomorrow. I love my strategy. I listened to my strategy. This was a day of listening to my strategy. So I'm 2 for 2 on listening to my strategy. this whole week, I think I said this before, but this whole week, I don't want to go into trade. I don't want to go into trade just winning. I want to go into trades going 100% following my strategy. No disrespecting my strategy. No, not listening to my strategy. Yes, following my strategy. Just completely following my strategy. So this was following my strategy. I was waiting for a candle closure outside the 10 points. We didn't get it. So looks like we just kept going up. So I had to enter in early. We hit break even. Break even was hit. That's okay. Break even was at a good point. I like this break even. We unfortunately just did get hit with break even, and it looks like we are going up, but that's completely fine with me. I'm okay. I don't care. But enough yapping. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.